Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question, I think quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around and saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at 42 cents. Why is 42 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 42 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price back inside of this channel where the price has already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have these set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what genuine long-term, bullish moves are going to do. Just make progress, and I'm just defining in this case, quote-unquote, progress as 42 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, going to scrunch up a chart here a little bit. Good problem to have. Make sure I'm not. There we go. So next key level of resistance right here at the 50-cent mark. Yes, the price temporarily got above it, but couldn't maintain above it. So that's still going to definitely be a key level. And going back here, you can see it makes good sense. Was a level of support, and then a classic example of a support turning into resistance, right there. So 50 cents, definitely public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.